Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are at home. You are eating a very healthy food and this is the class 2nd children, the English subject. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. The teacher, what she is doing? The teacher teaches the children. You can write the teacher teaches the children. You can write here TEACHES, teaches, THE the children, CHILDREN, children. Okay. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. You can write like this. Okay. Next. A rainbow has 7 colors. Has SEVEN, 7 COLOURS, colors. Next. John and Gia watering the plants. WATERING, watering the plants. Watering the plants, PLANTS, plants. Okay, you can write like this. Please pause the video and you can write, children. Yes, this is the page number 51. Now you have to turn what, children? Page number 52. Let us see this. The fly. Here we have to write what, children? Nouns. So nouns are the naming words. Okay, write these naming words in the correct columns. What are the words they have given, children? Peacock, jug, book, cow, horse, socks, school, bank, bag, hospital, swan, church. So what are the animals? Okay. Okay, peacock they have given. Jug is an animal. No. Book, no. Cow. So you have to write in the second one COW, cow. After the cow, horse. Horse is also an animal. HORSE, horse. Socks, no. School, no. Bank is not an animal. Bag, hospital, no. Swan, yes, swan is a bird and obviously it's an animal. SWAN, swan. SWAN, swan. Okay children, next one, things. Just wait children. Yes, next one is things. Yes, jug is a thing. Book is a thing. Yes, BOOK, book. Yes, socks are things, obviously. SOCKS, socks. And obviously last one is BAG, bag is a thing. What are the places? You can write, children, in the things, and then what are the places? Obviously school. School is a place where you learn. Okay. Bank is a place. Yes. Hospital is a place. HOSPITAL, hospital. Last one is church. CHURCH, church. Next, B. Circle the word in each set that is not a naming word. Okay, which is not a naming word, like lion, tiger, bear, wild, jackal. So wild is not a naming animal. Rose, soft, lily, lotus, pansy, these are all flowers, but soft is not a naming word. So you have to circle the soft. Frock, skirt, wear, scarf, jacket. So jacket, scarf, skirt and frock are the clothes that you wear. But what about the wear? That is not a naming word. That is the reason we have to circle it. Okay. 2. Boy, girl, baby, aunt. Aunt, baby, girl, boy, they are obviously people or a person. But what about the 2? Oh, that is a number. The number we have to circle. This is the odd one. Okay. Next one, children. Pencil, paper, eraser, ink pot, write. So you can write with the pencil, paper, and you are doing the with the eraser you have to erase, ink pot. Okay, these are all the stationary items. But what about the writing part is what? Verb. That is the reason we have to circle it. It is a verb. So we have to circle, and that is odd one. Okay, please in this one write this, children, write this one and write this one. You can stop the video and you can write, children. In this also, first one while they have already given, second one is soft, third one is where, fourth one is to, and last one is right. You can write down. Okay, you can circle it. See the next one, children. Tick the words that should begin with capital letters. Put a cross against the rest of the words. Okay. Okay, Diwali should start from the what? It should start from the capital letter. Agra, yes. Sheep, no. Holi, yes. Boy, no. Jam, yes. April, yes. Monday, yes. Week, no need. Okay, so suppose you have to write Monday is the first day of the week, then you can. April is the 4th month of the year. There are 7 days in a week. Yes, so you can tick off. Please do this, children. Yes. Next one, children. Underline the special names in these sentences. Okay. My name is Shama. So this is a special one. Okay. Next one. Sindbad was a sailor from the Baghdad. Okay. Sindbad. Next. Aunt Polly loved Tom. Polly is her name. Yes. Farhan and Hari are neighbors. So obviously in this one, two are there. Farhan and Hari. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Yes, Hyderabad is obviously capital of Telangana. Yes. You can underline, children. You can tick whatever I have ticked. You can tick. You can underline this also, children. Yes, next one is in the page number 53, children. Page number 53. E-bit. Underline the special names in this paragraph. Okay, so we have to underline the special words. Okay, Meena and Geeta are friends. Meena and Geeta are friends. They live in a village called Avalur. They play under big tree. Okay. One day a cow comes and licks Meena's hand. Geeta feeds the cow some fresh grass. The cow is happy. See, whatever the special names are there, like Meena, Geeta, Avalur, and see, cow, grass, these are not special names. Only whatever the names are there, that we have to underline. Okay. Okay, children, you can do this. Underline only names. Very nice, na? See, Meena and Geeta, they helped the cow, right? Yes. Write special names for the following common names. So these are, they have given in the common, here the common names. Okay. We have to write the special names. Magazine, Times Now. You can write your ways, children. Okay. Country, obviously India. India is our country. India. Newspaper, Deccan Chronicle. You can write Deccan, Deccan Chronicle. Chronicle, Chronicle. Lake, which lake? Baikal Lake, which is what you call Baikal Lake, is a freshwater lake. Baikal L, Baikal Lake. You can write your wish. Okay. Park, you can write Swami Vivekananda Park. Yes. You can write National Park, Swami Vivekananda Park. You can write the National Park, Corbett Park. You can write also Corbett Park. Day, obviously Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you can write. Month, obviously February month, you can write any of the month. Okay, RUARY, February month. You can write any of the month. Okay children. Okay children, you can write, you can see this and you can write children. Yes, here also you can see and write. Okay children, next one we will do tomorrow. Okay children, take care children, bye everyone.